the alert messages.
Today we need to discuss about the, I think, pop-ups, right? Right, and drop down. Yes. Okay. So today I just explained like we are handling the drop down, like how the drop down will be worked out. Okay. So observe. For that, what is our task? First of all, we need to go ahead with the right start.com, right? Okay. After that, observe what I'm doing. We have to do the same operation. Okay. Then next, you need to click on baby activity. Okay. So observe. After that, you need to click on bouncers and effects. Okay. Okay. So here it is the drop down. You have to handle this drop down. Okay. So first of all, what you are doing, you need to invoke the browser. After that, you need to open the driver.get URL, right? Next, what do you want to do?
Okay.
Hi. Yeah, tell me. You need to
Okay.
click on baby activity, right? Okay. So
Like
after
we
that,
just
you
follow all the steps, right? Like when you open this
yeah,
this browser. Yeah.
yeah. If you want to open this one, you have to follow these steps now, right? So yeah, first of all, from starting to ending, go ahead and do it. And first of all, just create a task name with the name of dropdown. Okay, under the WebDriver concept, just create a class name. And remaining people, please help to Ashim. Okay, Ashim is doing. Okay, so what we have to do, everything, just help to. Hi, Josman. Hi, Sabine.
Okay.
Oh, ma'am.
Yeah, hi. So please start recording. You understand what I'm saying? The task. First of all, we have to enter in the browser. We need to invoke the browser, right? Then we need to enter rightstar.com. Under this, we need to click on baby activity. Under this, we need to click on bouncers and something. That is the simple, right? So how you are doing? Just observe. And remember, please help. Here, drop down. You just give a space. Spaces are not allowed.
Oh, sorry. Drop down. Okay.
Diwali, Gaurav, Josman, Samin, please help me. Rashid, how is?
Mm-hmm.
I think we just need to copy this first.
Yep.
Okay. To copy this. I think it's this same steps, right, guys? Like, driver.get. I think we're doing the same steps. So I think we just need to change the
Yeah.
content. Yeah.
The URL information.
Okay. First, let's do this too.
Will be
First, we need to
Register. Yeah, that will be the one.
Okay.
Now, baby activity.
First, I think we need to
Find the ID for the
find the
ID
ID. Mm-hmm.
for the baby activity.
Okay, so I have a question about it. Okay, first, I think we need to get inside the,
We'll be
Yeah,
putting the
yeah,
driver.get
like,
that. No, sorry, driver.find e.
not this one.
We already got the URL, right?
Uh-huh.
So
Mm-hmm.
go back to the other one.
Okay.
No. The other one where you copied it from.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm talking.
So I think we should write like,
Okay. See, you already got the driver.get HTTP, and then we have to put in the URL. That's the
mm-hmm.
URL. And then the driver.find element by ID. That is where we go and we click on baby activity. So that would be .click.
Okay. So,
Anybody else has any other thoughts?
just tell me if I'm doing anything wrong, okay?
Yeah, correct. No, nothing is wrong.
We need to check the
Now,
First, we need
now,
to find the ID for the
yeah.
baby activity.
website or
Whether it is
same.
ID
There
or
you go.
whether it is ID or not, we don't know, right?
Yeah.
The baby
I'll
active, right?
just,
Element.
One second. Right click inspect element with file, right?
mm-hmm.
Right click.
Inspect element with fiber.
Yeah.
So that's the ID. So we just copy that ID.
Yep.
Yeah. So control V. I just copied it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Then go to the future.
Mm-hmm. And I think we simply just paste it.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So now we're inside.
Yeah, same only. Dot click we have it. Yeah. Next, go to and find the baby
Next
activity
go
from the
to
top.
website again or same.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
So since after we click there, so we get drop down, right?
Yeah, so there should be something for the drop down. No.
I just click.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, sorry. Seriously, were you taking my controls?
No.
Oh,
Take
okay. All
I'm
right.
sorry, Suresh. You just made me crack up.
Okay, so now we are.
Do it. That's why he's asking. He wanted to baby.
Okay.
Sorry,
We
what?
need to click on that one, right? Observe. We can able to click
So
on this one
click
or
on.
here too. Bounces and infected. We can able to find out this one or this one. Anything. Okay? Observe. You can able to find out this one. So like bounces and infected. Infected element is silent. Okay. Which one is there? Linked test is good actually. We're able to find out if linked test or path anything. It's okay. So do you know like how we are going to find out the link test? Hello?
Say that again.
No. Actually, we can able to identify the element by using ID, name, and link, right?
Okay, so this is the
So link,
href.
link, but it doesn't display link equals to something. With an anchor tag, what is the information is, then we can treating it as a link. So what I'm doing is observe. I'm copying this one. Okay. So go to
Class
it.
and joint. Okay.
Driver dot find element by what?
By link.
By link
By
test
link.
display. Right, link test. Okay, that's the link test we need to display. What is the link test within double quotes? I am going to write the link test. Already copied. Then I need to click on that one. It is also I just want to click it, right?
Mm-hmm.
So like that. So right now is clear.
Yeah.
So next what I have to do after clicking on that one, what I have to do next, we need to find out that particular drop down list. Okay, so observe. Go ahead with that one. After clicking on bouncers and infats, here it is the drop down list, right? Here I want to identify it first of all. How mean? Okay, on the drop down list, right click inspect element with firebug option. So observe here.
The drop
Is
down
there any ID?
the one that says
Is,
bestseller
is there
by
any,
dollar. Yes.
yeah.
Okay. Okay.
This is drop down. Here it is. Drop down list, right?
Mm-hmm.
So first of all, I just identified. So when I was identified, is there any ID name link is there? No, right? We can able to use path, right? First of all, I want to identify the element. So how we are using XPath means observe. So here, what is the element? Okay. The next select, right? Select at the rate. Here, only one property is there on chase. So that is only we are using. Okay. I just copied the property. XPath we know already, right? It's already written in single quote. We need to write that. Okay. So if I'm trying to find out is it is identifying or not. Okay. So I'm copying the entire thing. Okay, I just copy and go to the Eclipse driver dot find element by dot XPath, right? Right? Related is the string XPath expression. So within double quote, I already copied everything. Okay, and just paste it out there. Dot observe what we have to do. I just identified this one. This reference object, I just want to save it in a one variable that is sort by. This is reference one. I want to save it in a one different variable that is. So I'm giving a name it as a sort by. So web element. Web element means you know already it is used for the reference of one particular element. That's, so I'm giving a reference object is sort by. Okay. So here it is asking to import it. The next. Here, what I want to do.
Sirisha, I'm so sorry. Before you go further, can you please explain again about how you found the path? The
XPath. Na?
yeah. How did
XPath.
you
We
identify it again?
we already know. We already discussed string expression. Like what is the syntax for the XPath? While we are discussing identify locatable information, right? We already discussed how to
Okay.
identifying element, right? So what is the syntax? Okay, so backslashes. Okay, attribute name. Okay, attribute name we have to write it equals to the.
Mm-hmm.
I will explain. Element name. We have backslashes equal to element name equals to attribute equals to attribute value. Therefore, we need to write the attribute.
Okay.
So any attribute and value pairs we can able to use. Here we are having only one attribute equals to value pair, so we are using the same one.
Okay.
Here, okay, select is the only web element here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so select. We are using select. We are already discussed like how we are going to find out by using XPath. If you go to that concept, you can able to understand it clearly. Maybe you forgot about that one, right? XPath
Okay.
syntax. Okay, so bracket at the rate. We can use the attribute equal to attribute pair. Here, any value pairs you can able to use. We can able to use the attribute equals to this value pair or style equals to this value pair, but this is somewhat easy. So we can use this launch equals to within single code we need to change this information. Okay, and close the bracket. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
So the drop down reference I just saved in a web element, I just give a sort by. Under this, what is the values I want to, so here I want to find out drop down elements. Here I want to find out the tag names. How many drop downs are there? How many options are there? What is the text? This text I want to display. These are options text I want to display. Exact total how many options are there? I want to display the text belongs to this one. First of all, inspect element with fiber option. So observe all these options they are putting a tag name is option. So we can able to find out the tag name option tag name. This particular option. If you want to find out those options, okay, by using tag name we can able to go ahead, right? So observe how we are doing it. Sort by. Sort by means what happened that particular drop down reference is saved. Okay, under this drop down reference we are trying to identify the elements. Okay, who is having like for example, did we discuss about the Yahoo links? No, we didn't discuss, right? After finishing this one, I will explain you. Okay, so what is the options? What is the tag name options are there? Okay, everything is coming up by this error. So first of all, I want to display them in list. Okay, so how I am doing it? So observe, list is a variable. Observe, this is also an interface which is used to say the list of the particular element. I am giving the reference object to normal. Equal to, okay, under the sort by. Okay, under the sort by, I want to find out an element. It's a, what is the thing? It's a tag name, right? Tag name, options there, all that I want to identified. And the list is just saved in this one. And that's it. Like the balloon list is a three different one. And then there is no but not. Below also we are writing the same thing. Below also we are writing the same thing. But why it is having in an earlier one? Sometimes it may be happen. Okay. So with actually everything is perfect. It's not having any error. But sometimes it is the same thing. So if we write again the same code only, it will be the error will be gone. Okay. So next That options I just saved in a list. Okay, list is a predefined. It is used to get the list of the particular web element. Okay, that options list I want to display. Okay, so the size of the list I want to print it out. Like how means system dot out dot println. Okay, I want to get the list, right? So the list of drop down elements. Okay, observe how means plus list is a reference variable. In the list only we are having all the reference, right? List dot size means it is displaying the size of the particular list. Okay, so right now just execute it. What is displaying? Run as Java. Exactly how many options are there? The list is displaying. Observe. In the output box it is displayed. The list of drop-down elements is 12. Total 12 options are there. Okay. So here 12 options are there. Okay. So I want to display the text belongs to those. Like for example, best match. I want to display all these options. Text belongs to those drop-down elements. So there is this for loop. Okay. Here we are using for loop. How we are using this for int I equals to 0. Okay. And then I define list dot size. Okay. List dot size of then I press. Okay. So here it is go to the each and individual. Okay, like for example, I equals to 0. Okay. So less than expression. Here we are using if statement. Okay. Here we are using if statement. Like how we are using if statement. Observe we are putting a statement right. If that list of data of dot select is selected. For example, list dot get I of means list dot get I means 0th one. Okay, so 0th one is selected. Okay, and then is selected. If it is selected, okay, then what we have to do? Then system dot out dot println. Okay, the default option is a drop down. Okay, the default option is a drop down. Option selected is of the list dot get I of okay get text. Okay, so we have to get the text present from that particular. Get text. So like that one create also. If not, else part. Else part means else part is also same thing. In this way. And that is also I want to display the data of that text. So if it is by default it is selected, it is going to display the particular one. If not by default it is not selected, else what is executing, and of course on the time also it is going to open the text of that particular option, drop down option. Okay. The, so here first of all it is taking, it is going to first option. By default it is selected or not, it is displayed. If by default it is not selected, okay, then as what is executed, the text belongs to that option are executed. So just execute that one and check it out what happens here. So all the options are coming or not? Actually, the default option is this one, best seller, right? Best seller dollar is the default option. So these are the remaining options. So default option selected. Obviously, remaining options are also coming up. Total 12 options are displayed. Right? Is it clear? How we are going to open? Is it clear or not, guys?
Most of it.
Hey, Sirisa,
Yeah.
can you repeat from that from for syntax?
Yeah, from for, because I didn't go from for to.
For loop onwards, right? You're asking me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, from there. Yeah.
So here we are checking. So here what we are done up to now is we are getting the list of that particular, means size. What is the size of the particular drop down? Like whether it is 12 options are there, 12, how many options are there? It is get the size. After that, I want to display the in each and individual text belongs to that options. Okay. So for that, I'm using for loop. For loop means it is going to check each and everything. Okay, so I equals to 0 means okay, I less than list of size I plus plus, right? So if I equals to 0 means zeroth option is going on. Okay, so it is going to the zeroth option, list of get I. So list of get I means what? List of get I means first option, zeroth option is selected, right? So if you are selected, if it is already selected, okay, so means for example here in the drop down list by default one is selected, one option, right? So it is going to the first option. Get zeroth
Mm-hmm.
means first option is first option. Okay, so here if it is selected by default, then it is executed. Like if statement is executed, like what system dot out dot println. Okay, default option is this one. It is display this element like how list dot get I of get text. Get text is used to display the text belongs to the particular option. Okay, is used to display the text belongs to that particular option, right? So next, after that, second option get I of. I means second option means what? It is incremented, right? I plus plus means it is incremented, so I equals to 1 right now, right? So list
Yeah.
dot get I means get 1. So if it is selected, no, here it is not selected, so it is going to execute the else part. So else part is executed. So here it is also in the else part also we need to display the element like what?
Mm-hmm.
Here it is. List dot get I of get text. So that particular ith one second option, I want to display the text belongs to second. Like that, each and
So
everything.
basically, if yeah,
Dot. If it is by default, it is selected or not. If it is selected, this statement is executed. If it is not selected, then this statement is executed.
okay.
So
So basically, from the if statement, basically the default is being selected, right? And from the else part, like after that default option, everything else is being selected.
Exactly.
Okay.
Right. So next, guys, today I am giving some assignment to you. Okay. So what was the tip? First of all, same. It look like same only. Go to the yahoo.com. Go to the yahoo.com. Under this yahoo.com, I want to display the all links. I want to display the all links belongs to the yahoo.com. How many links are there? I want to know the list of links, total how many links are there in the Yahoo page, and I want to display the text belongs to each and every link. Like as usual, what we are done by using drop down, right? Okay, for example, just observe. These are all links, right? So total in Yahoo page, how many links are there? The list I want to display, and also, right, I want to display the text belongs to that particular link. So is it clear, guys? We have to do like this. Okay. So how we are doing? First, invoke the browser and then go to the get URL of www.yahoo.com. Next, we are trying to identify the element by using anchor tag. So for all links, anchor tag is the basic element, right? Anchor tag A is the anchor tag. Okay, all the links are developed by the anchor tag A. So here, like earlier, options we just take, right? The drop down list, right? So here, try to find out the element by using tag name A. Okay, so on that time, what happened? Whatever the anchor tag A is there, everything is identified. So you just display list. You just prepare a list like list of web element. Like here, what we done the drop down, right? List of web element, okay, and driver dot find element by anchor tag A. What is the web element belongs to that one? I want to find out. Then next, I want to display the size of the particular list. Okay, just even try up to now this one also. Just display the size of the particular links. Okay, after that I will explain you like how to get the text belongs to each and every link. If you can able to do it, you can able to do. Okay, so otherwise tomorrow session I will explain you like how the workflow process everything. Okay, guys, is it clear?
okay.
The task is clear.
Yes.
Assignment.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so yeah, go ahead and prepare it. Prepare this one. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can able to ask me in the next session. Okay,
Okay.
is
Okay.
it clear? Okay then. So thank you so much. We'll meet back on tomorrow at the same time.
All right. Thank you, Susan.
Thank
Bye bye.
you.
Good night.